In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add more columns in Elementor. Elementor is a great plugin to use when you want to create attractive pages on your website. It gives a lot of customization options that makes it easier to edit pages in WordPress compared to the default WordPress editors. First, you need to install and activate the Elementor plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how you can do that too. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. Now, go to Pages and click on Add New. Here, the default page editor is open. Give this page a title. And to edit this page with Elementor, you need to click on this blue button. This is the Elementor editor. To add more columns, click here to add a new section. Here, the most number of columns you can add is 6. Select that. You can edit these columns by clicking here. Now, to add more columns, right-click here and click on Duplicate Columns. You can duplicate as many columns as you want. This is how you can add more columns in Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.